Okay guys, today was my crosswalk experience of Broadway and Main Street. And right here we have our own crosswalk button. Sorry it's wet, but here we go. This one works like, weird. That button doesn't work. Oh. This one says, so this crosswalk button says wait. And I don't know why this button doesn't work. And I prefer that one works too. But the other one doesn't work. I prefer that button needs to be replaced with an APS Campbell button, something like that. I don't know. But yeah. But we're gonna wait. There it goes. Oh, the walk sign's on.
Ten, 9, 8.
Here's the countdown.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That button doesn't work as well. Weird. So we're gonna cross Broadway Avenue, and this is Main Street. So Main Street, this is Main Street here, and this one is Broadway. So yeah. So you see that sign over there, and the other one as well. And yeah, they put stickers on it. I don't know why. Yes, and also the sign is messed up.